There are many products available to choose induction ranges, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best induction ranges from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. LG Smart Induction Slide-In Range with AirFry. The LG Smart Induction Slide-In Range with AirFry is our top pick for its exceptional induction performance, user-friendly design, and innovative oven settings. Over the years, LG ranges have never failed to impress us, and this model is no exception. One standout feature is its convection oven with AirFry capability, but it doesn't stop there. It also boasts air sous vide. This nifty setting uses low oven temperature and airflow around vacuum-sealed ingredients to give you that sous vide perfection without the water bath. When we tested it, we were blown away by how quickly it brought 6 quarts of water to a rapid boil in under 10 minutes, thanks to a high wattage burner on the front right side. In our simmer test, the range held a steady poaching temperature of 158 F to 162 F for over 30 minutes, ideal for gently poaching an egg or simmering milk or butter without burning. Number 2. Frigidaire Slide-In Induction Range with Convection Oven. If you're new to induction cooking and looking for an affordable option, this slide-in induction range from Frigidaire is a great pick at under $2,000, or even under $1,000 on sale. We haven't tested this model in our lab, but Frigidaire electric ranges have performed well in our testing over the years. Reviewers rave about how quickly it boils water and how easy the cooktop is to clean. No exposed element on the oven's bottom makes cleaning a breeze. They also appreciate the minimalist design. This 4-burner induction range is spacious, and 2 burners can be bridged to heat a griddle. Users say the controls are easy to access and use but can be sensitive to accidental adjustments. They can be locked, but not when you are cooking. Number 3. Miele Generation 7000 Induction Range. The Miele Generation 7000 30-inch induction range might come with a hefty price tag, but it's worth every penny if you're after top-notch performance, intuitive controls, and a sleek modern design. This beauty combines a 4-zone induction cooktop with an exceptional convection oven featuring dual fans and a Moisture Plus feature that adds steam to boost the humidity level in the oven. This ensures that your roasted foods, like potatoes or salmon, stay moist and tender on the inside. A Kitchen Gear Award winner, we were particularly smitten by its style and innovative cooktop configuration. Each burner is marked to indicate the size of pots and pans it can accommodate, adjusting its size and output automatically based on the cookware. In our tests, it boiled water in no time, toasted bread with perfectly even heat distribution, and featured an intuitive control panel that tilts out for easy viewing with just the touch of a button. Number 4. Café Slide-In Induction Smart Range with Double Oven. This GE Café induction range offers versatility and convenience with a double oven, making it a great choice for busy kitchens. The beauty of a double oven? You can roast a whole chicken at 425 F in one oven, while baking chocolate chip cookies at 350 F in the other, all at the same time. Plus, this model boasts 5 burners, including 2 that can combine to form a bridge burner. The front right element can boil a pot of water in under 14 minutes. We also love the center burner, which is perfect for keeping ingredients warm. Think keeping stock ready for risotto or oatmeal warm while you're cooking up the rest of breakfast. One quirk we encountered was the oven racks, which can be tricky to install. However, the included rack lubricant helps smooth the process. Also, keep in mind that the largest oven's capacity is 4. Number 5. Fisher & Paykel Series 9 Professional Series Induction Smart Range. We were blown away by the Fisher & Paykel Series 9 Professional Series Induction Smart Range and its blend of performance and sleek design. Sure, it's the priciest induction range on our list, but if you're looking for a larger 36-inch model with 5 burners and a tilting touchscreen control panel, this one's a showstopper. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, offering a guided cooking feature where you can select a cooking method, specific ingredient, or even a recipe. This range scored top marks in our tests for boiling and simmering water, oven heat distribution, and broiling performance. The cooktop features a powerful center burner with a boost function, flanked by 2 burners on either side that can be linked into 2 large smart zones. This setup lets you use a grill pan on one side, a griddle on the other, and still have room to boil a large pot of water in the center, all at once. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.